Hello friends, if you are searching how to download and play Fortnite on Nintendo Switch, then your search ends here. Today I am going to tell you how you can do this. Only in some easy steps. Let's get started. All steps you can see on your screen. Turn on your Nintendo Switch and log into your Nintendo account. Please note, if you have multiple accounts on your Switch, make sure you're logged into the one you want to play Fortnite on. To open the Nintendo eShop, tap on its orange icon or select it and press A. Tap search, or you can press the plus button on your Nintendo Switch controller. Tap Fortnite when it appears. Tap free download or highlight the icon and press A. Please note, Fortnite is a freemium, free-to-play video game, meaning you don't have to buy it to play it. This is why the button says free download instead of the usual proceed to purchase. You're shown a confirmation screen. Select free download. Select close to exit the Nintendo Switch eShop, or select continue shopping to keep it open and view other video game listings. Please note, it will take time or depends on internet speed, so you don't need to keep your Nintendo Switch fully powered on downloading Fortnite after purchasing it within the eShop. The game continues to download when the console is placed in sleep mode. A Fortnite icon appears on the Nintendo Switch home screen immediately. It flickers slightly, and a download progress bar appears along its bottom while it's downloading and installing. Please also note this thing. A video game download may pause if you use an app or another game that requires an internet connection. If you're thinking of playing while you wait, make sure you only play offline. The game fully downloads once the image appears solid and the progress bar disappears. And you are done. By using this method, you can download and play Fortnite on Nintendo Switch. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button. Thanks for watching this video.